When accounting systems time out, invoice approvals stall. When shared inboxes fail to sync, support tickets pile up. At that point, IT stops feeling like technology and starts feeling like delayed payments, missed customer responses, and a month-end close that slips. Randall Martinez, Chief Operations Officer at IT Pros Management, puts it clearly. The real value of managed IT is fewer surprises for the people who depend on systems to do their work. That is why managed IT services matter now. Cyber risk, compliance obligations, SaaS sprawl, remote users, hiring limits, and downtime have turned managed IT into an operating model, not just outside tech support. The real value starts with visibility. What keeps breaking? Who does it affect? How often does it happen? Which business process slows down? With that view, recurring disruptions can be addressed at the root, escalation paths become clearer, and leaders get more useful reporting on uptime, recurring tickets, risk status, and budget trends. Managed IT also helps reduce security and compliance risk. Instead of chasing scattered spreadsheets and inboxes during an audit or board review, monitoring, patching, access management, backups, incident documentation, and executive risk reporting can become part of daily operations. It also supports better budgeting. Surprise hardware failures, emergency consultant fees, rushed license renewals, and unplanned security work can throw off a budget cycle. A managed model helps leaders plan refreshes, renewals, recovery needs, and security improvements before urgency takes over. And for internal IT teams stretched thin, managed services can add capacity. Help desk, security, cloud, network, and compliance support can help urgent tickets move faster, while internal teams focus on systems and workflows that matter most to the organization. Choosing the right model takes work. Map recurring tickets, list compliance evidence, review recovery expectations, identify renewal dates for hardware, licenses, security, and cloud services. Managed IT works best when it brings accountability, clear communication, and operational alignment. Read the full article for the complete breakdown, and add this to your Spotify playlist for easy access later.